Oh, hi. I didn't see you there.
I'm wildlife photographer
Konsta Punkka. This is my review of the Galaxy Book 4.
It's the Galaxy Book 4.
I tend to spend a lot of time in the woods. I take photos of animals that capture their personality.
Do you hear that? That's the call of a superfast laptop with outstanding field performance.
I usually upload thousands of photos at a time. With the Galaxy Book 4, I can import my photos immediately.
The detail on Galaxy Book 4's display is amazing.
I feel like I can reach out and just see the personality in this owl's eyes. He's an introvert. I love to photograph foxes. I often tweak the green and yellow colors to match my style, and when you are editing the colors, it's very important that you have the true blacks.
There's enough power for editing photos while editing my next project.
Oh, hi.
Moikka. Terve.
Even though I'm a wildlife photographer, sometimes it's fun to just explore. The AI processor is next level. You can really use it to open up your creativity.
Finding the perfect laptop for editing photos used to be as elusive as capturing the perfect picture of a wolf during the golden hour. But now there's the Galaxy Book 4, my new way to PC.
I think it's a crazy good.